Can you use the Google Keyword Planner without running ads? Yes, but there's something important you need to know before relying on that data. Hi, I'm Jasmin. Someone recently asked me this question on my YouTube channel. It's in German, but I translate. So he asked me if he can use the Google Keyword Planner without running an active campaign. So in this video, I show you the difference between using the Keyword Planner with and without an active campaign. We are directly inside Google Ads. To access the Keyword Planner, you have to go under Tools, then Planning, and then Keyword Planner. If you want more details on how to use the Keyword Planner, check out my recent video where I explain everything about the Keyword Planner. The video is linked here. So we click Discover New Keywords, and then we are looking for a gym in Melbourne. So we're changing our language back into English, and the region we choose Australia. So we remove Germany as a country, we save, and then we will click on Get Results. So now you can see all the keywords the Keyword Planner suggests and some data like the competition, and here you see the average monthly searches. You only see rough data. So when you don't run ads, Google only gives you broad ranges for the average monthly searches. You don't see the exact search volume. As you can see, it only shows the data like that, 1K to 10K. So we don't know if it's like 2K or if it's like 9K. The gap in between is very big. So for beginners, this makes it a little bit hard to estimate the real demand. So why does Google does that? Google prioritizes detailed data for advertisers who are actively spending money. So it's an incentive system. So now I'm inside an account with an active campaign. Let's do the same. We click Discover New Keywords. We're looking for a gym in Melbourne. We're changing the language and the region. And then we're clicking Get Results. And now you can see, instead of rough data between 1K and 10K, you see the exact average monthly search volume. So when you actively run campaigns and generate data, Google unlocks more details for you. So this is much more precise. You see the detailed numbers for every keyword. If you are serious about running Google Ads long-term, I recommend running a small campaign because then you get the exact volume numbers in the Keyword Planner, you get a better forecasting, you get real CPC data, and you collect real search term data. But don't run ads just to unlock data if you don't plan to advertise. So if you're a beginner and want better keyword data, I recommend you to launch a very, very small search campaign. For example, with a budget of $5 per day, just to unlock better insights. But even if you have exact search volumes, you should never make decisions based only on the search volume. So the intent matters as well, the competition matters, and the conversion value matters as well. So as a summary, yes, you can use the Google Keyword Planner without running ads, but you only see broad ranges, the data is less precise, and the forecasting is limited. If you're serious about Google Ads, running even a small campaign improves your insights significantly. If this video helped you to clarify how the Keyword Planner really works, feel free to subscribe for weekly beginner-friendly tutorials. And if you ever need help with your Google Ads, my Calendly link is in the video description.